This is Johnny Freeze coming at you with an unboxing video. So I just got these brand new headphones today, the ATH-M40x professional monitoring headphones by Audio-Technica. And I must say I was pretty excited to get this product. It's been recommended by lots of friends, fellow producer friends, DJ friends. And after surfing the web for a while to do some research, I found out that these also have great reviews on many websites, on eBay and Amazon. It's actually labeled Amazon's Choice and one of the top-selling, top-performing products on Amazon on this category. So yeah, very good reviews, and hopefully they'll live up to the hype. Another cool thing to mention is that I got this on Amazon, and I got these less than 24 hours after I ordered them, which was pretty cool. I ordered this at 5 p.m. yesterday, I think, and I got them like at 10 a.m. this morning. And one cool thing to say is that I don't even have Amazon Prime. So when ordering them, the website claims that if you order without Prime, they will arrive like 5 days later. But as you can see, this is obviously not the case. So shame on you, Amazon. Okay, let's get into some specs on this product. The driver size is 40 millimeter, which I believe that's probably the reason of this 40x right here. Not sure about that. Sensitivity is 98 decibels. Maximum input power is 1.6k milliwatts. The impedance is 35 ohm, which is great. Very low impedance. Frequency response goes from 15 Hz to 24 kilohertz, which is great. Some headphones will come with higher frequency ranges, probably up to 40 kilohertz, which I believe is overkill. So for the price of these headphones, this is a very good frequency range. These cost around $99 US. So yeah, very cool. Let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Okay, so remove the front cover. Nice cover with the Audio-Technica logo. And back here we got instructions and what appears to be the guarantee. Yeah. And the warranty, and here we get, oh yeah, this is really cool. You have this black leather bag to carry your headphones to your next gig, which is very nice, I must say. It comes with the Audio-Technica logo, as you can see. And yeah, so for the headphones themselves, as you can see, they have a very sleek design, black. They come in black and white, I believe, and yeah, one cool feature is that the earbuds swipe like this and like this, which is very cool when you're on a live set. You can, this way you can listen to the mix you're playing and also isolate yourself from sound. The reviews claim this comes with extremely good sound isolation, which I will have to test for myself, but we'll see, guys. Yeah, as you can see, this has a pretty slick look. And another cool feature is that, yeah, nice, they fold into themselves, so this way you can get them into your handy dandy black leather bag and carry them to your next gig. Pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Okay, we got this nice top. And yeah, these headphones come with a pair of cables, one coil cable, which is 1.2 meters long, which is great. I don't think I would ever use anything larger than this. This is extremely good. And another cool thing is that it comes with this screw-on adapter, this plug for the mixers or any other live instruments you're playing, which is something great that you don't have to additionally get this plugin. And a longer cable, straight cable, 3-meter cable, which I believe it's a lot, but it's always good to have a longer cable. Maybe you want to walk around the place while mixing. I don't know in which cases you would use a 3-meter long cable, but it's always good to have more, I guess. And okay, let's see. Well, yeah, we don't have anything else to show. So yeah, guys, so that's it for the unboxing. Let me just show you one more time the headphones. Very cool, very cool design with the Audio-Technica logo. So I will try this out and give you my thoughts on them. It's not about time yet to recommend this, but I'll give them a shot and tell you guys what I think. If they're worth the price, which they hopefully are. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in and have a great day.